Hi guys, today let's make channel membership badges and emojis for Bagsik ng Butuan OFW vlog. Of course, using Picsart. So I pre-downloaded these letters from Picsart Gallery to save some time doing this tutorial video. And now I will adjust the size to maximize the 1x1 required size of the emoji. So now you can click the adjust feature if you want to change the brightness, contrast, clarity, hue, etc. But if you want to keep it plain and simple, it's really up to you. But for me, I will differ the color. And then of course, don't forget to save. Mega love, shout out! Now I will choose this photo to create one personalized emoji. And let's crop the picture. So let's click the cut out to manually remove the background. Now we will clean or erase unwanted parts because we just want the person's image. I will use the adjust feature again because I want to make the picture clearer and high in saturation. So now I will add a shadow to make it look elevated or embossed. Now pick a color that you like or whatever you think is best suit as a background. You may also adjust the position horizontally and vertically, and also blur and opacity of the shadow. So again, maximize the required size of the emoji. Click save, and this is the final image. Ganda? So let's now move on to this emoji. So we will just download all the letters from the gallery again. Hoy! Kumusta kayo? Naiinip na ba kayo? Now I will add a border to emphasize the edges. And now let's move on to the badges. For this one, I will use paint smudge for the background. And now, because it's for Ate Joy, we will use the letter J for the badge. Of course, we cannot forget about Titi. And when we are finished cutting out, we will adjust the color to make it more lively.
Prepare to die.
And now I will put all the 3 images together so that I can finalize the output of the badge.
Prepare to die. Range nature's control, humanity will be exterminated. If you hear this message, do not try to leave. Do not try to fight. Do not try to resist. You will be eliminated. You will be eliminated.
And now that we are done with the first one, I will make 5 different colors. And now that we are done creating all the badges and emojis, it's time to check our gallery and take note of this one. Supported formats are GIF, PNG, and JPEG. Minimum size is 32 by 32 pixels. Upload size is less than 1 MB. Aspect ratio is 1:1. So guys, as you can see, the format is PNG, but the size is larger than the required upload size. So let's trim it down. Let's go back to Picsart. So let's choose the photo, click on the tools, and then resize. We will just estimate the width and the height. I will go into try 1400. Click save, and I will go back to my gallery to check if it's pasok sa banga. Yeah, it's 0.98 MB, so it's good to go. Repeat the same procedure to other badges and emojis, and then you're done. Thank you for watching.